stable with 12.4, the combination of NOR and NAND latch.
Yun.
Yeah, it's the correct word.
S.
First of all, we'll start to 0, 0.
0, 0. Tapos tinaas ko yung S.
Ano yun? Tipan mo na.
You see?
Mm,
Then pag minanuan ko sila parehas, hold.
hold.
Sabi mo.
Kung nandiyan.
Tapos kapag binaba ko naman tong if S, I will put into the 0.
Oh my god. That hurts.
The Q
The
will
Q
0, then the Q prime will
light.
right.
Hindi, high.
Will high. Okay.
Yung ano. Yun. Bago, we'll put it in 1-1 state.
Hold.
High, high. It will hold.
Hold state. Okay.
That's all.